This is 426 Veranda Lane, Providence subdivision, Macon, Georgia. Just one step up to enter. Beautiful front door. Nice wide open foyer. To the right could be a formal dining room. They have used it as a music room. Beautiful details. Plantation shutters. Extra detail in the moldings, high ceilings. Hardwood floors. Here is the stairs that lead up. The great room here. Fireplace with gas logs. Lots of windows, French doors that will go out onto the porch that overlooks the backyard. There is a hallway here, and this door is to the dining area. That door is powder room. That door is to the laundry room that leads to the garage. This is to the kitchen. Here is to the master suite. But we're going to go this way, back through the family room. Here is the door that leads to the kitchen. Volume ceilings in here. Now that's looking back to the front of the house. Back porch with privacy. Beautiful backyard, professionally landscaped just within the last 2 years. Great patio, outdoor fireplace. The door there leads to the breakfast area. Here is the kitchen. Nice breakfast area. Again, beautiful ceilings and moldings. Hardwood floors, eat-in bar area in the kitchen, wide open kitchen, nice stainless steel appliances, real wood cabinets, double sink,